What's up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can fix stick drift on PS5. Suppose you have a PS5 controller and now the stick is drifted to one side, how you can fix it. There could be two reasons. One of the reason could be software issue or connection issues. In that case, you just have to, reconnect your PS5 controller. For that, you just have to press the options key, which should look something like that for the 15 seconds, and your controller will be disconnected once again after pressing the home PS key to connect it. However, this will fix if there are any connection issues. If there are no connection issues and you're still facing the error, this is probably due to the physical damage. So in order to get the physical damage fixed, you need to visit any of the, shop repair near you, which will be able to repair the controller for you. However, there is a software which is called as Drift Align as well. So you just have to try Drift Align as well. Now, these software will try to fix the PS4 drift by doing the software thing, by doing obviously inputting the right inputs, and it might be able to work for you. Suppose you have any of the issue, you can actually get it fixed, but obviously you need to make a purchase for their subscription. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to fix the stick drifts in PS5. Hope you guys find this video helpful.